happy to be to have you here as well, and we are proud of you. Your persistence is something which is adorable and admirable. Thank you very much for being here, sir. Thank you.
We have this function happening today, and all the credit goes to one person who's done the administration for this. We have a lot of respect for you, ma'am. Please come over and accept our memento for you.
I'm so happy to be here. It's so nice that students have called me to, usually they forget about the office people. Normally, I'm very happy that they have remembered and called me too. Thank you. And all the best for all of you.
Thank you very much. Last but not least, the greatest visionary we have all seen. All of us are here because of her. We need to give her...
Thank you so much. Well, I'm sure your wives are feeling very jealous because their schools are not celebrating this kind of a get-together, a reunion with the teachers. They have reunion with students, but not with teachers so much. You do? Which school is that? Which one? Rosary, yeah. So, and old schools do. Anyway, that may be so. Please understand, the greatest wealth that every teacher has got today is only your fond memories of us. That you love us and you don't hate us. That is the greatest reward we can have. Just a few days ago, 1978 batch, one boy, he's Venkat Narayanan something. Venkat Narayanan, I think, he came home. No, Shankar Narayanan. He came home. I didn't know who he was. Then he said, I'm an old student of yours. And then I called him and spoke to him. I was amazed at the fact that he remembered my Shakespeare class and quoted from that class about As You Like It, sweets are the uses of adversity, and so on. I mean, the memories that you carry with you about the school is the greatest reward that we can have. It's not the reputation or anything else that matters to us. I think all of us, in fact, I still remember when Mr. Ramachandran, I told him that I'm going to make it a co-educational school because originally it was a boys' school. I said, I'm going to make it a co-educational school. Mrs. YGP, you're asking for trouble, Dinar. I said, why, sir? Lama, Raju romance, varunar. I said, so what, sir? If they choose their partners from their own classmates, so what's wrong with it? So he was shocked. என்ன இப்படி சொல்றீங்க என்ன தப்பு சார் என்ன உங்களுக்கு டௌரி குறையும் நீங்கள் பணம் கட்ட வந்தால் பசங்களுக்கு கல்யாணம் ஆகிடுவீங்க ஏன் ஒரே படிக்கிறீங்க அப்படின்னு. So I'm just joking. In this small building to have a co-educational school was quite a job because we didn't have enough provisions for the girls and they had to put up with a lot of inconveniences here. But fortunately most of our teachers were women. So that was a great advantage. That's another thing which the DPI objected to. They said I shouldn't be the principal of a boys' school when it was a boys' school. So how can a woman be a principal of a boys' school? Then I had to fight it out, go up to Kashmir for the All India Women's Conference when Indira Gandhi came there to preside. And she spoke about equality for women. I said, where is the equality, madam? Men are becoming principals of girls' colleges, but a woman is not allowed to be a principal of a boys' school. She said, is that so? Where is it happening? I said, in Tamil Nadu, in Chennai. She said, I'll see that it's corrected at once. And immediately she sent a note to the education minister. He said, you better not do such things, allow her to be the principal. That's how I became a principal. Though I did my B.Ed after I became 40 years, just to see that, a housewife cannot order a cook unless she knows cooking. So I thought I better learn B.Ed before I control my teachers. And that's how, and that B.Ed helped me so much. And every time, I sent quite a few of my teachers abroad also. I think Hayama Srinivasan, first to go, Ramachandran, Pushpabala Jagam, Nagamani, Hamsa, KSV, and even now we are sending them. I'm just trying to say that the exposure that they get is what has made what they are today. And they are very happy. I'm so happy. I'm only worried about one thing. I find that many of my teachers are limping at this age. I mean, I know I have my knee problem, both of us have it, but I'm wondering whether we can start a therapy course for them and have them, really help Ayurvedic therapy, which might help them. I'll have to think about it and see what we can do. Anyway, I'm mightily pleased that I was able to spend today with all of you, and all your faces are familiar. As usual, forget the names, and I'm so happy he came and introduced. I'm glad Arumugham is here. This, the three brothers who studied here. What a difficult time they had and how they overcame it. And I still remember his eldest brother was very, very good in French. I think Mrs. Nathan was taking French then, wasn't it? No. Huh? Pardon? Yeah. And he wanted to go to France. And then we mustered all our powers and saw to it that he went to France. And such a wonderful brother. He drew all his brothers to France, brothers and sisters, and they made a good name for themselves. So it's only an opportunity that really matters, not. And many people think it's a big building and large playgrounds and all that makes a school. This one building alone has produced hundreds and hundreds of successful young men and women, which I think shows that small is beautiful. And that's all I can say. And we continue to work here. In fact, some people came and asked me, why you can afford to now buy another huge place and build up and go. I said, no, I'm sorry, sentiment. And all the prayers that you people have said, you have been reciting, that is holding up our school. The spiritual energy. In fact, the other day, in the 21st supposed to be the end of the world or something like that. So, yesterday. So I was telling my students, I said, all the prayers that have gone into the school, all the schools, every child, whether he believes it or not, the vibration of the prayer itself is so powerful. Like in the story of, who's that? Narayanan Pullaperachar, Ajamalan. Like that. You may not even remember what the prayer is. You maybe do it mechanically, but still it holds you good. So all that I ask of you is, have trust in God and continue to prove yourselves as great men and great women. And I'm very happy that your wives are also here with you, and they, I'm sure, will now start their own schools to do such reunions more and more and have a good time. And what is most encouraging is, most of our students want their children to study in this school. Even if they've been abroad, they come back here and they want to put their children only here. Meher is a standing example. He gave up a brilliant career in London and he's come back here just to see that his children were educated in Padma Seshadri. I think that's what is the greatest success that we have, that they've come back to us. And let me assure you, top priority to alumni and their children. I assure you that. I'm so happy Mr. Williams is here with us. Many students have helped him silently and generously, and saw to it that he had medical treatment and he's at least able to move around and come this way. I think my gratitude to all those who have helped him also. And yeah, many old students have been helping him. So what do I say? My heart is full, but my stomach is not full yet. So I think it's time we think about lunch also after our wonderful morning that we have had here. I'm very, very happy, very touched by all the love and affection that you shower on me. And I can rely upon any one of you at any time to do whatever I want. I mean, most of my friends are my old students, like Mohan Rajan and all of them. They're all old students, but they're friends. And people like Mohan Rajan goes out of the way to help teachers if they have any problems. So also now Meher Prasad is now in the diabetic center. What is his name, sir? Dr. Mohan.
My diabetes center is Prana Diabetes Health Facility.
So that center himself called Prana. Where is it going to be, Meher? In Kodambakkam, close enough, we'll come. So we'll make use of you, don't worry. So once more, children and mothers and fathers who are here, all of you, you have grown. Huh? Huh? The wives, that's why I said mothers. The wives are already here. And very modern wives, I'm glad to see that. Our boys have been very selective and have chosen very good partners in life. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your kind words. Obviously, we are really touched by your kindness and your leadership and everything. He wants to say a few words about how the school has helped and also how they've fought the battles they have fought.
As far as I am concerned, personally, and in name of my family, I would like to thank Mrs. YGP and this school, which has always helped us during very difficult times to come out and prove ourselves in this world. You have always taught us that which does not kill you makes you stronger. And that I've kept it till today. And even if the fight goes on, we will put our best effort to come out of any kind of difficulty, whatever it may be. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you again. Thank you.
For being here today with us. Sorry. My name is Shankar Narayan. As I was sitting there, I was kind of reminiscing because I've been part of many debates and elocution competitions sitting there, and I was telling Mrs. Srinivasan that when me and Ajit worked on the wording saying that thank you teachers for laying the structure of our lives, I think we meant it from our hearts, right? Thank you very much, and I'd like all of us to give a standing ovation for teachers once again, please. You know, many of us work in corporates in different sectors, and the basic skills we use on an everyday basis, I think we developed here. The way we talk, the way we speak, our relationship skills, the life skills, all we developed here. This structure, as Mrs. YGP is saying, the building remains the same, but what it has produced is just really amazing. Thank you, ma'am, for that. Yeah. And thank you for giving us the permission to use this fantastic premises, not just in terms of the structure, but the fond memories and the ability to reconnect with friends was just great. Thank you for the spouses who are here today. I think it made it really special for us. But I think much as it's great to meet friends, there are few people who have really pulled this together and deserve very special mention. Vasudevan, where are you, Vasu? Ashwin, Meher Prasad, and of course I think Ajit, this is a really big ovation for this. I think if I recall, we met a year ago in Raintree Hotel, and he said we should do something like this. Are you guys in it? We all said yes, but he's not waited for anybody to come to the front, taken the ownership initiative, pulled it together. The amount of hard work and passion he showed in this, If today we are meeting here today, felicitated teachers, going and spending time in the evening as friends, a lot of credit to you, Ajit. Thank you very much. It's happy festive season, and I wish you a wonderful New Year to all of you. Please join us for lunch, and then I think it's over.
I forgot to wish you all a very happy, healthy, safe and prosperous New Year. May you all live for 120 years like our Saint Ramanuja and continue to serve your nation and your humanity. One thing I like to say this, unlike other schools which have a track of all the past students so that they can ask them to donate whenever they need money, we have never approached any of our past students for help that way. And they have come voluntarily and helped in many cases, as I said in person. So it's very important that this gratitude that you have expressed is the greatest donation that you can give to us. Thank you so much. God bless you all. And all the wives and all the children. God bless you all too.